Good afternoon guys, and today I am back with another video. Today I will just unbox a rear camera and parking sensor which I have procured from Amazon. Let me unbox it and show you what are the contents inside. The product has just arrived yesterday evening, so I haven't opened the product yet. As you can see that the product has been packed nicely. This is the invoice. The product cost around 2,999, but I have procured it at a much less amount due to this particular offer that was going on. So I have procured at around 2,500 like that. So let me open it. As you can see, there is the myTvs labeling all over the product. So this is the box. As you can see, let me see what are the things inside. These are some paper materials are there. It shows the specification of the product. The screen is 4:3 and the resolution is 800 by 480, and there is a backlight also for the cameras, so that night vision is also enabled. This is the instruction kit. This is the warranty card. What are the other products they are selling? So they have sent a leaflet. Now let me show you the product one by one. This is the rear view mirror cum screen. Let me open it up. The mirror seems to be of good quality. This is the mirror. These are the connecting jacks they are providing. One is for your power control, another is for video intake, and you can, I think you may be able to use it as a video monitor also. That's why they are providing this type of, and this is the signal input, this is the video input. This particular input will be used while for the reverse connection. This is the product manual. They have provided a product manual, so how the connections will be given are mentioned over here. So this is the product manual. Here are the things. That is your video cable. This is the video cable. One will be connected with this particular mirror, and the other one will be connected at the back from your, so this connection will be there, that is with the camera. Let me see the camera. So this is the camera. So the other end will connect to this particular point, and this is the power connector, and this one, let me tell you, this one will be connected here, and this particular is the power source. So one will be connected with your reverse light connection, and this black will be grounded. तो बेसिक वायरिंग है ये, कोई भी ऑटो शॉप में आप जाके कर सकते हैं, आप खुद भी कर सकते हैं इफ़ यू आर डू इट योरसेल्फ गाय. ये आपका कनेक्शन प्रोसीडियर है. मैनुअल में आपका सारा इंस्ट्रक्शन है इफ़ यू वांट टू डू इट. So here is the camera, and some LEDs are provided, so it shows that it's a night vision camera. These are all the parking sensors. There are 4 sensors, and the quality and finishing seems to be of good quality. So these are the parking sensors. This will be also connected with that particular, and this particular input will be connected here. Okay, yes, that will be connected with that, and this is the your main unit that will have your parking signals. That is the main unit. So this has to be opened. here are all the connecting points of those parking sensors, and one will go for the power connection and other one will be connected with this. Okay, so the parking position indicator will be in your mirror itself, so that connection will be taken from this particular unit. And this product is very useful for older generation cars which don't have parking sensor or reverse camera pre-installed in factory settings. In fact, after 2017 or 18 most probably, parking sensors are now a mandatory in every car. But product is very useful. This product is very useful for parking your car in tight corners and especially in congested areas where you need to back up. And now all the modern cars have got a very small size rear windshield, so visibility is much restricted. So I will definitely recommend installing this type of product, and I will give you the links if you are interested. So if you find the video useful, please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much and goodbye.